Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do 6th class history 10 lesson the ancient Indian culture question and answer. एशियन टाइम में इंडियन कल्चर कैसा था उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस है फर्स्ट. सो लेट्स सी आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका ये है, मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ एशियंट इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज़. तो उसका आंसर हमने यहाँ लिखा है. द एशियंट इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आर तक्षशिला, वाराणसी, वल्लभी, नालंदा, विक्रमशील एंड कंची. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ही दूसरा है ये. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन गुड्स दैट वेर इन डिमांड इन foreign countries. Answer: Indian goods like fine textiles, ivories, precious stones, spices, beautiful made art and poetry were in great demand in foreign countries. Question number 1-4. A country to which बुद्धिज़्म had spread in the ancient period. तो ये वो जो कंट्री का नाम है उस कंट्री का नाम है श्रीलंका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 अब देखेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एपिक एंड पोएट कंपेरिजन ऑफ एशियंट इंडिया. एपिसिशन सिलहम, भाद्रिकम एंड मणिकलिंस एंड अर्षा एपिक, रामायण एंड महाभारत and Manu Marchia. A poet work are composition of ancient India. Fill in the blanks. तो fill in the blanks का first है, the epic Ramayana was composed by ऋषि वाल्मीकि. Question number 2. The fill in the blanks number 2. The science of India medicine is called Ayurveda. Okay. Now fill in the blanks number 3. Thousands of students could live at the Nalanda University. तो नालंदा जो है ये आपका fill in the blanks है. Now question number 4. Explain what is meant by Tipitaka. तो उसका एक्सप्लेन करना है आपको, तो इसको हमने एक्सप्लेन करके दिया है. सॉरी. Tipitaka is a Buddhist religion text written in Pali. It contains 3 categories of texts. First, Sutta Pitaka, Vinipitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. Question number 4-2. What is the message of the Bhagavad Gita? भगवद गीता का क्या मैसेज है? द भगवद गीता टेल अस दैट ईच वन ऑफ अस कुड डू आवर ड्यूटी विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग रिवॉर्ड. फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये हो गया. सेकेंड पॉइंट, इट ऑल्सो सेज दैट द पाथ ऑफ डिवोटेशन टू गॉड इज ओपन टू ऑल. क्वेश्चन 4-3. What aspect does Ayurveda take into account? Ayurveda is a very old traditional Indian medical science. Ayurveda not only seeks to understand the symptoms, diagnosis and treatment of an illness, but also takes into account the prevention of the illness. Question 4-4. What is the meant by Sangam literary? Sangam means a gathering of learned men. The literature that is complete in such category is known as Sangam literature. Question 5. Discuss. Write an archetype of the Maurya and Gupta period. तो इसके 3 points है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. India reached its peak during the Maurya and the Gupta period. Second point, the stone pillar erased by Emperor Ashok at Virgin Places in an excellent example of India sculpture. Third point, the stupa at Asni and Cave are Kerala, Nashik, Ajanta, Ellora, etc., show that the same tradition advanced even the better. Question 6.1. What could you do? How could you obtain information about Ayurvedic medicine and use it in your day-to-day life? I will try to get information about Ayurveda from different literature that is available in their bookstore or on in the internet. I will try to deal with minor elements like cold, acidity, and pain in day-to-day life through Ayurvedic stores. I will try to improve my health in order to prevent ailment by taking Ayurvedic medicine to improve my immunity. What will you do? Ka second, on a trip to a historical site, your friend is writing his name on the आरती फ्यूचर. तो आप क्या करेंगे? When on a trip to a historical site, I see my friend his name on the article. I will gently tell him the importance of historical monuments and also how the ancient Indian must have built it with lots of effort without modern technology and equipment, those invoking respect of Asian fellow. India is my friend. Indian is my friend, also telling him how proud we Indians should be of their art and talent. Question number 7. Observe the picture and stupa at Asini and obtain more information about it. तो ये जो है हमने यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर बताई है. इस पिक्चर के बारे में आपको और मोर जो है इन्फॉर्मेशन बतानी है. तो हमने यहाँ पे इन्फॉर्मेशन भी लिखी है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. शिट. तो अब हम आपको बता सकते हैं इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ तक है. ओके. Sanchi is an outstanding specimen of Buddhist art and architecture. The Ashin Stupa is one of the best preserved early stupas in culture India. The Sanchi Stupa is scored by a railing with 4 carved gangways saying in full 4 direction. An interesting character about it in Stupa is the Lord Buddha has been established spread by footsteps, ways, throne, etc. rather than by his own image. The Sanchi Stupa is one of the most wonderful sculpture of ancient India. So this is the question answer of 10 history 10 lesson ancient India culture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.